Mirrorless cameras combine compact design, fast performance, and professional quality imaging, making them a top choice for both photography and video. Popular models like the Sony Alpha A7 IV, Canon EOS R6 Mark II, and Nikon Z62 offer advanced autofocus, high-resolution sensors, and versatile shooting features for creators of all levels. Starting at number 1, Nikon Z7 II. The Nikon Z camera features a compatible mounting system and offers an aspect ratio of 1:1, 3:2, and 4:5, utilizing advanced CMOS photosensor technology. It supports JPEG file formats and incorporates sensor shift image stabilization for enhanced clarity. With a maximum focal length of 0.95 millimeters and an optical zoom of 1x, it boasts a maximum aperture of 22 millimeters and an expanded ISO minimum of 64. The camera employs center-weighted metering for accurate exposure. Notably, it delivers high-resolution imaging with a remarkable 45.7 megapixels and improved autofocus, AF performance, alongside faster continuous shooting capabilities. The dual card slots, CF Express XQD and UHS to SD, provide flexibility for important photography moments. Designed for comfort and ease of use, the Z7 II is compatible with a vertical battery grip for enhanced shooting experience and supports 4K UHD video at 60p for smooth footage. Additionally, it features USB-C constant power and charging capabilities to prevent power loss during extended sessions. Number 2. Canon EOS R3. The Canon EOS R3 is a compact video camera that boasts a stacked backside illuminated 24.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional low-light performance, clarity, and detail. It is powered by the Digic X image processor, offering an ISO range from 100 to 10 to 400, expandable to 24800, which enhances detail and reduces noise while enabling high-speed 4K video capture. The camera supports high-speed continuous shooting at up to 12 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and 30 frames per second with an electronic shutter. Its autofocus system features dual-pixel CMOS AF with 1053 AF points and advanced subject detection capabilities for eye, body, face, head, animal, and vehicle recognition. Additionally, the EOS R3 excels in video recording, capturing high-resolution 6K RAW at up to 60 FPS, 4K at up to 120 FPS with the latest firmware, or uncropped Full HD at up to 240 FPS, making it an outstanding choice for videographers. Number 3. Sony A7R4. The Sony A7R4 compatible mountings for Sony E and offers various aspect ratios including 1:1, 3:2, and 4.3. It utilizes CMOS photosensor technology and supports RAW file formats, ensuring high-quality image capture. The image stabilization is achieved through sensor shift technology, and it has a maximum focal length of 35 millimeters with a maximum aperture of 3.5 millimeters. The expanded ISO minimum is set at 50, with metering options that include center-weighted average, highlight-weighted, multiple, and spot. This Sony camera boasts a stunning resolution with the world's first 61mm full-frame, 35mm back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS image sensor, making it compatible with software like Final Cut Pro X and iMovie. It allows for high-speed continuous shooting at up to 10 frames per second at 61 megapixels and 26.2 megapixels in APS-C crop mode. The fast hybrid autofocus system is equipped with 567 phase detection AF points and 425 contrast AF points for extensive coverage. Additionally, it features advanced subject recognition capabilities, including real-time tracking and real-time IAF for both humans and animals. Number 4. Sony SEL2470GM. The Sony SEL2470GM 24 to 70 mm GM lens is a standard lens designed for Sony E-mount cameras, suitable for 35mm full-frame formats. It features instant auto manual focus selection and a focus hold button, with a minimum focus distance of 0.38 meters. Although it does not support image stabilization, it is equipped with a direct-drive supersonic wave motor, DDSSM, for fast and precise focusing. The lens is engineered with ED and Super ED glass elements that enhance image quality by delivering natural, lifelike imagery with breathtaking texture and detail. It also incorporates two aspherical elements and an exceptionally precise XA element to reduce aberration and maximize resolution. The 9-blade circular aperture contributes to a beautiful bokeh effect, while the nano AR coating improves clarity, contrast, and overall image quality by ensuring accurate light transmission. The lens has an aperture range of f2.8 to f22, a minimum focus distance of 1.24 feet, and a maximum magnification ratio of 0.24x. Number 5. Canon EOS R1 Body. The Canon EOS R1 is a cutting-edge camera compatible with Canon RF mountings featuring a 3:2 aspect ratio and a state-of-the-art CMOS photosensor technology. It supports MOV file formats and incorporates sensor shift image stabilization for enhanced clarity in images. With a maximum aperture of 2.8 mm and an expanded ISO minimum of 50, the camera offers versatile shooting capabilities. Its metering system includes center-weighted average, evaluative, partial, and spot modes, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. Notably, the EOS R1 boasts powerful autofocus upgrades, including the innovative cross-type AF at the imaging sensor, a first for Canon. The camera is equipped with a newly designed 24.2 MP full-frame, back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor that features dual-pixel AF for rapid and accurate focusing. Additionally, it includes a built-in neural upscaling feature that can double the horizontal and vertical size of images, producing a stunning 96 mm JPEG in approximately 10 seconds, making it an impressive tool for both professional photographers and enthusiasts.